Waking up to the sound of rain, and like you said, Lauren, we really did need it.
Yeah, it kind of actually felt good out there a little bit with the rain too.
Yeah, it felt almost like a spring day, guys.
Yes.
Out here in just a suit coat because it's very warm and very humid as well. And yes, we did need the rain. It's been since mid-October, since we have seen this much rain in any one period. We've got more on the way. We got a break right now, however. 13 weather ball is blinking bright for more rain late tonight, maybe even a rumble of thunder. It is also red. It's going to be even warmer tomorrow ahead. Around the region, a few breaks in the clouds in some areas for a while this afternoon along the lake shore, but mainly an overcast and wet start to our day. The rain was mostly this morning and it tapered off this afternoon, but look at these current temperatures into the low and mid 60s. Even 68 down in Benton Harbor, 71 in Detroit. The big change has been the dew points. They have climbed up into the humid category. They are at 60 plus right now, and that represents a shift as much as 25 to 30 degrees wetter today than yesterday at this time. Again, thanks to a very strong southerly flow. All of the rain from earlier today has moved well to the north. We're seeing more showers coming up into Illinois, and that's what we'll see a little bit later on tonight as those showers and maybe a rumble of thunder head our way. And all of this warm air is going to stick around for another day, maybe even up to close to 70 in some locations tomorrow. Here comes the rain. That's late tonight. This is tomorrow morning as the polls open, and then we'll see showers off and on throughout the day until the polls close. And then that's it. We're going to see no more rain on Wednesday. Thursday will be a dry day as well with lots of sunshine. Friday the same, lots of sunshine as well. Saturday we'll see an increase to the clouds, and then Saturday night we'll have a brief round of some showers before the sun comes out on Sunday afternoon. So after tomorrow night, the next chance of rain will not be until Saturday night. You can see the chances of rain pretty high tomorrow. We may get close to an inch here in Grand Rapids, and then nothing until Saturday night. All of that will occur overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then we may see some more rain the following Wednesday. But the long-range outlook, this is from November 10 to 14, eastern half of the country, maybe 2/3 warmer than average, and most of the country will see higher chances for more rainfall. That's good because it has been dry across the country. It will be breezy at the lake shore, maybe a rumble of thunder after midnight. All of that rain will start after midnight. 53 to 55 north, upper 50s south. Northern areas, you'll see a late night shower or a rumble of thunder, mid and upper 50s. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, all of our rain will be late tonight, breezier toward the lake shore than inland. Overnight lows close to 60. 13 on your side forecast. Breezy, rainy everywhere, near 70 tomorrow, almost record highs, cooling off to 55 as the rain departs on Wednesday morning. Sunshine Thursday, Friday, and all day Saturday, mid and upper 50s, well above the average high of 52. Rain Saturday night, ending Sunday morning, and will stay above average into next week as well. So again, we do need the rain, and we've got more coming our way later on tonight, guys.
All right. Thank you, George.
After a cool, mainly dry weekend, the rain moved in yesterday evening, and it's been with us on and off throughout much of the day today. We got a brief break right now, but more rain on top of what we've had is on the way tonight and tomorrow. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of that. Inside, it's also red. Even warmer weather ahead tomorrow. But a cloudy night and a cloudy day tomorrow for Buda. Trina, going to give you a green paw this evening, but by 8 o'clock there might be a sprinkle of rain. A yellow paw and maybe even a red paw to start your day tomorrow. There'll be a few rumbles of thunder very late tonight, but no severe weather. And on and off rain, but climbing out of the 60s to near 70 tomorrow. A little while ago, we saw the rain depart this afternoon, so we've had pretty much a rain-free afternoon, but there's more coming up out of Missouri, heading into central Illinois at the present time. So we've got several hours where it will not be raining, and this cold front is going to wait another 24 to 36 hours before it moves on through. So we have a pretty good chance of seeing rain all the way up through Wednesday morning. Now, temperatures have been very, very mild into the 60s, even 71 Detroit, 73 in Cleveland, and we're going to get close to 70 here during the day tomorrow. This is 7 o'clock this evening. You can see overnight the rain rolling on in. There could be a rumble of thunder and on and off showers most of the day for Election Day. And then that cold front slides on through, takes all of the rain well to our east by Wednesday morning. So the rain will end Tuesday night, and we've got a dry day with sunshine by late afternoon and early evening before the sun goes down. Lots of dry weather again during the day on Thursday, lots of sunshine, same on Friday. So several dry days coming up after Tuesday night. And then over the weekend, the clouds will gather on Saturday, but showers will be confined to Saturday night before the sun returns on Sunday. So a dry Saturday and a dry Sunday, just some of that rain sandwiched overnight Saturday night. Rainfall, very little this evening. Most of it will come overnight into tomorrow morning. You can see up to an inch or so right in through here, maybe an inch and a half, and then another 1/10 of an inch during the day on Wednesday or on Tuesday night. And then it will be all the way until Saturday night. This amount of rain added to the 9/10, only about a 1/4 of an inch or so. But we do need the rain nationwide. It's been very dry. Looking farther ahead, this is the start of firearm deer season, 12th through the 18th. High chances we will be warmer than average, which is at that time in the mid and upper 40s, but still higher chances for more precipitation. Normally during that 7-day period, we get an 1.5 inches of snow. There is no measurable snow in the upcoming forecast. Forecast then for tonight, look for showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. This will all occur very late tonight. A low in mid-50s north, upper 50s south. Again, showers developing late tonight with a rumble of thunder possible. Upper 50s here and here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Overnight lows right around 60 with our rain and maybe a rumble of thunder moving in late tonight. 13 on your side forecast. Rain off and on throughout the day tomorrow, and despite that, a humid day, breezy as well. Strong southerly winds will boost temperatures to 70, dropping to 55 as the rain departs on Wednesday. Sunshine Thursday, Friday, and increasing clouds on Saturday. Rain Saturday night ending Sunday morning, and behind that front we'll be back to around 60 plus. Warmer than average temperatures, though, continue into the month of November, guys.
So still pretty mild.
It is.
Thank you, George. George, I was surprised to see Callie's report outside the Van Andel Arena dark, but I remembered we had to fall back over the weekend, so it is darker earlier.
I did appreciate that extra hour of sleep on Sunday morning. It was after I cleaned up all my leaves off my lawn over the weekend, and if you've got any leaves that are out in the gutter area or alongside the curb, just make sure that you clean out the storm drains because there's going to be more rain tonight. 13 weather ball blinking bright for that rain in sight. It's also red. Believe it or not, we even have a warmer day ahead. It was warm today, climbing into the mid and even upper 60s, made 68 in South Haven, 69 Benton Harbor, 71 in Detroit, well above our average high of 52. But we are within our within 2 degrees of our forecast high. We've done within our target range 11 days in a row. And speaking of warmer days, check out all the red. Those are the warmer than average days. They clearly outnumber the cooler than average days here in the past 31. We have had about 2/3 of an inch of rain here in Grand Rapids, almost 3/4 or higher over in the Lansing area, with just as much coming tonight. In terms of rainfall, we've actually eked above the average here since the beginning of the month. It's only 4 days old, of course. To the north, no reports showing up. But for the autumn season, we're still running anywhere between about 1 and as much as 5 inches below average. So we could certainly use the rain. Election day forecast. Yeah, it's going to be wet. We have rain on and off throughout the day, but with a very breezy south wind, that'll boost temperatures up near 70 degrees during the day tomorrow. Where is all this wet weather coming from? For a change, the weather is coming right off the Gulf of Mexico. So we had 1 round of rain earlier today. We've got several hours before there'll be more, but these are the showers that we'll see come in late tonight, maybe even a rumble of thunder through the region. This is 7 o'clock this evening. Here comes the rain. Some of them could have some embedded non-strong thunderstorms, but the rain continues on and off, and then it pretty much comes to an end late tomorrow night with a lingering shower in the morning on Wednesday. Skies clear on Tuesday night, so Wednesday and Thursday, we've got pretty much lots of sunshine and dry weather. That will last through Friday as well. And even though we're going to cool off, we will stay warmer than average. Now, some high clouds will come in on Saturday, so it'll be dry all the way through Saturday. But Saturday night into Sunday morning, there'll be some rain, but the rain will move on out, back to sunshine later in the day on Sunday. All the way around, we're looking at most of our rain coming late tonight about a half to as much as an inch of rain, and then a little bit more during the day tomorrow. So the northwest counties could see an inch plus, and all of that will be through tomorrow evening before it finally winds down. And then we have several days, all day Wednesday afternoon through Friday into early Saturday with no rain. There's the time period. And as far as Saturday night, there could be about a quarter of an inch of rain before the sun comes back out on Sunday. In case you missed it last Friday, long range outlook. This is the second half of November. No cold air in sight, high chances for warmer than average temperatures, and at least an equal chance for more or less precipitation during that same 2-week period. Forecast for tomorrow, look for windy conditions at the lakeshore, mid and upper 60s, maybe 70 plus. Holland southward, northern areas mid and upper 60s, kind of breezy with winds gusting to 25 plus, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, around 70 to the low 70s. 13 on your side forecast. Rain on and off everywhere, 100% of the area. Humid tomorrow, breezy as well, if not windy at the lake. Rain ends Wednesday morning, dropping to 55. Dry on Thursday, Friday, and all day Saturday in mid and upper 50s before we see some rain Saturday night, ending Sunday morning. And then early next week, still warmer than average, well above our average high of 52. We do need the rain, and we're getting it finally.
Yeah, and those people who are going to vote tomorrow now know that they have to prepare for the rain, too.
Lots of umbrellas out there.
Yes, thank you, George.